So today we are reviewing the S197. It's really the 2010 if you just want to call it that. It's the V6 4.0 because yes, I stuck a thing on the side because you know what? I wanted to be like the 5.0s. One day, baby, one day. Not really, it's okay. Basically, we're sitting on top of the budget Mustang. But this Mustang, honestly, is pretty nice for what you get. So I'm going to be answering, is it worth the money in 2019? It's a 2010, 2019, 9 years. We'll see what we can make do. Alright, so first things first, when owning a 2010 Mustang, I mean, this goes for any Mustang. As long as you fix it up and put money into it, which I haven't even put that much money into it, I get compliments. No matter where I go, there's always someone who's like, hey dude, you have a nice Mustang. And I'm like, yeah, I know, it's pretty nice. So, there is that. You always, I guess, no matter if it's a V6 or a V8, it's still a Mustang. So, my next reason is, it's actually not that slow. I mean, okay, to be honest, it's pretty slow. But when you own a Mustang, you're basically driving the sports car for the looks, obviously, because it looks really good. But then also you're driving it because it's usually pretty loud. Mustangs are known for being obnoxiously loud. Like mine, all I have is some pipe bomb exhaust. Mainly, I think it's more on the straight pipe side, but you know, I mean, it sounded good. At least I think it sounded good. Leave down in the comments if my Mustang sounded good, because I don't know if it does or it doesn't. Soon enough, I'm probably going to get probably some Roush exhaust. I don't know what I'm feeling yet. There's not a huge selection for the 2010 in the exhaust department, because unfortunately for me, I have a Y exhaust. Now that probably surprised you because mine is super loud, but that's what I'm saying. I have a Y exhaust and it's still super loud. I wish it was dual exhaust. I can make it dual exhaust for like $600, so there is that. And is everything just going against me right now? It's never been this busy. Let's just go ahead and answer the question outright. Should you own a 2010 Mustang in 2019? And I say go for it. As long as you don't pay more than what it's worth. If you're paying more than what it's worth, then it's probably not worth it at all. But if you're paying below the market or anything close to the market price, then I say go for it. Personally, for me, I drive a manual. The manual is heckin' fun because compared to the new Mustangs, they don't get manual anymore. Ha! But I do. So, I mean, I can kind of flex on people when they, you know, they're like, hey, you only drive a V6. And I'm like, hey, but it's still manual, so it's pretty dope. And they're like, yeah, I can see that. So, you know, you gain some respect when driving a manual. Manual's not that hard to learn. Anyways, my car's a manual. Another reason to get a 2010 because they have manual transmissions. Not all of them, obviously. So, with that being said, the 2010 is very easy to upgrade. There's a ton of parts out there, so that's another reason why you should get it. There's a lot of parts on eBay now. There's a lot of parts on Amazon. Obviously, American Muscle, and then like, I don't know, Pony something. There's that too. I haven't bought from that website. I just get my stuff from American Muscle, obviously, from the stickers that you saw in the cinematics. Also, if you like the cinematics, leave a like. So, with that being said, I don't know. I think the 2010 Mustang is well worth your time. I mean, I don't know what else you want me to say. I mean, I get compliments. It's loud. It goes decently fast. You won't win everything. Unless if you have a V8, then you'll probably win more races. But in a V6, you kind of get smoked on a lot of things. But if it's just an average car, you got it. But yeah, so, I mean, it gets you noticed, though, on the road. Like, you'll see people turn their heads. You'll see, like, people wanting to race you constantly. Everyone wants to race you. I mean, some days it's fun. Other days you just don't want the attention. That's why you go with the tinted window, so you can just be like, shut up, don't look at me, I'm driving. Whew, got a little bit passionate about that. So, with that being said, that is my honest review of should you buy the 2010 Mustang in 2019. And I say go for it. So, this video is just kind of fun. I wanted to put it out there because no one else has a decent quality video. It's all like, hello, welcome to my new vlog. So, that being said, please give this a like. I can do lots more videos because I have the Mustang, and I don't know if you want to see me drive. If you want other videos, just leave down in the comments and be like, yo, can you do this? I'm trying to buy a Mustang. Should I do it? And I'll be like, go for it. And I don't even have to, you know, I've just answered that. But, you know, obviously, just give me anything you want to know and I'll let you know. As for like upgrades, I can do another video with that, like what I've done to mine. So, with that being said, I'm not going to make this any longer than it has to be. Peace out.